YouTubers and die-cast collectors, this is another Heathkin video. Yeah, I took this car and I put it on here, on this cabin fever. Pretty sweet, huh? Pretty sweet. Anyway, you guys that are liking these cars here, these cars, these Hot Wheel Demons, these I picked up at Big Lots for $3. They're by Hot Wheels, of course. Yep. Anyway, I wanted to show you Johnny Lightning had out years and years and years back. Probably before your time, but these are some of the ones they had, and they have real rubber tires on them. And this was some of the ones they had. Holy smokes, was one. And yeah, and then you can close it as well. So that was one of them. These are by Johnny Lightning. They had Color Me Gone. Also by Johnny Lightning. Put it down. That was Color Me Gone. They also had Pure Hell. Yeah, these were nice little cars by Johnny Lightning. I think I have some more in storage, actually. So these are some of the race cars that they had years ago. I don't know if it has a date on there. I don't have my glasses on, so of course I'm blind. The Green Elephant. This is the Green Elephant. Very nice. And as you notice, their windshield is like a magnifying glass, actually. So these all go down and come up with that little stand to display it. There's rubber tires on here. This one here is Chi-Town Hustler. Chi-Town Hustler. So they all can go down. Yep. Yeah, Johnny Lightning. This is Johnny Lightning. Yep. This one here is, this says Rival on it. Rival, but it's not. I don't know what this says. I'm blind tonight. But anyway, these are the cars that they had back in the day, years and years ago. I used to go to this one store that had a lot of Johnny Lightning there, and I really liked their cars. They were just better made, all metal. This one here is Brutus. And as you can see, it opens as well. And the windshield's sort of like a magnifying glass. And it closes. That was Brutus. This one has a see-through back window here. This one here says on it Connie Kalita. Connie Kalita, I guess she was a, I don't know, race car driver. I'm not really sure. So don't say, oh, you're an idiot, you dumb. I don't know. I just know that when I like a car, I like a car and I pick it up. I don't care who's drove it or anything like that. I don't watch the races or the drag races, but I like the cars. So that's that one. And then they also had the Monkeys. You guys, I don't know if you're familiar with the Monkeys. The Monkeys used to have a little show on TV. And this was the Monkeys car. So, it was also by Johnny Lightning. Very sweet. I can get it down with one hand, it will be good. Yes, the monkey's car. And then they had other cars that didn't go up, but they're the racing cars. Here's a fudgesicle car. So that doesn't raise up or anything. They had the Pennzoil car. Now these are all Johnny Lightnings. Pennzoil. They have a little brake on the back. Here's one called a Dragon Lady. It does not open. And it's by Johnny Lightning also. So there's another one. This one here, called Jukebox. It doesn't go up either. Pretty sweet. All metal, metal on metal. They had a Reese's one, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup one, as you can see. And, not that these are race cars, but they did have some of the TV show, The Green Hornet. This is the Green Hornet car right here. This is the front. That is the Green Hornet, which I really liked. And this was the cereal car of Count Chocula. Little race car. Count Chocula. Some good cereal. So I just wanted to show you some of the other cars that were out. And actually they're all by Johnny Lightning. And they had a variety of them, as you can see. And they were sweet little cars. They're sweet little cars. They're very heavy, all metal, rubber wheels. Well, this one don't. Some of them also have rubber wheels, okay? So if you like these cars here, which I do like. I like these. Check out the Johnny Lightnings too, because they have some sweet cars out there. Sweet ones. And that's it. I just wanted to show you some of the drag cars Johnny Lightning had produced. And this is Heathkin, and again, I shall see you on the flip side.